Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you all the ways that you can enable the on-screen keyboard on your laptop. So if your physical keyboard is accessible to you, then you can use a shortcut of Windows, Ctrl and O buttons at the same time. Just click them like this and you will enable the on-screen keyboard. For some reason my laptop went on a lock screen. This shouldn't have happened, but it did. But as you can see now, we can use this on-screen keyboard. You can reshape it however you want, and there's not many more things that I can say about it. But if you want to enable this one keyboard in a different way, you can open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and then select Accessibility Settings, and then scroll down until we find Keyboard. Now that's it. And to enable the on-screen keyboard, just switch this toggle to the right, and this one enables the on-screen keyboard. If you want to have the constant access to your on-screen keyboard, you can also enable it a different way. To do this, you have to go into Personalization Settings, open the Taskbar settings, and then here you'll find the Touch Keyboard feature. And you can change this one option to Always, and right now you'll have this Touch Keyboard icon on your taskbar. If you click on it, it will appear on the screen, and you can use it however you want, basically. You can't really reshape or resize it, but it's still pretty convenient since it's basically on your taskbar and accessible all the time. And that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.